I make $30,000 every month on YouTube using one website. You may not believe me right now, but stay till the end, because in this video I'm going to show you everything step by step. And who knows, after watching this, you might also start making hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every single month from each channel you create. Right now, I run 8 YouTube channels with my team, and every single one of them brings in a solid amount of money. So trust me, watching this video till the end will definitely not be a bad decision. If you're watching on your phone, flip your screen sideways. And if you're on a computer or TV, go full screen. Because this one video could help you make thousands of dollars in the near future. I'll provide every link, every prompt, and every step, and you won't need to pay me a single penny. Now in today's video, we're going to learn how to create skeleton videos, which is one of the most trending niches right now. This niche is pulling in hundreds of millions of views on shorts. And if you're not familiar with this niche, just watch this example.
Which era of history would end you the fastest? 10,000 BC. You wake up starving in the wild. You grab a handful of berries and instantly regret it. Your lips go numb. Your vision blurs.
We're not going to become copycats. We're going to create something even better.
Yeah, boy.
In this video, I won't just show you how to get video ideas. I'll also show you how to generate scroll-stopping scripts, how to create videos for skeleton shorts, and exactly where to generate the perfect voiceover for your script. And at the end of this video, I'll also share some pro editing tips that can make your shorts far more viral and engaging. So stay with me till the end. And if you want me to cover any other specific niche, feel free to comment below, and I'll make a dedicated video just for you. Click the link in the description or pinned comment, and you'll land on this website. Or simply open your Chrome browser, type HIX AI, and open the website. Down here, you'll see all the different options for what you want to create. I'm going to choose AI Chat. Once you click here, you'll see all the famous chatbots available, not just the free ones, but the premium versions too. You won't need to purchase each one separately because you get all the premium models under one roof. As you can see, almost every major platform is available here, including their premium versions. There's no need to keep switching between different websites or paying for multiple software subscriptions. Now let's choose any one of them. For this example, I'll go with OpenAI and GPT 5.1, but you can choose whichever one you like. Our next step is to get video ideas. I'll open my file and copy my first prompt. And don't worry, you'll get all the prompts 100% free. All prompts will be placed in this video description, so just copy them and use them. And in return, give me nothing but a like or a comment. Say anything in the comments, even just a thank you, or tell me where you're watching from, or suggest what my next video should be about. If I see a great idea, I'll make a dedicated video just for you. Your one comment really helps my video get some views, and it also motivates me to create more videos like this for you. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn how to make money with YouTube automation. Now copy our first prompt and paste it here. This prompt will generate 7 video ideas for our skeleton video. There will be a few placeholders that you'll need to customize according to your video. For example, here is your video topic. Let's say I want to make a video about humans underwater. Then you can choose the style of your video, whether you want it to be funny, dark, motivational, or educational. Let's say I want mine to be educational. After that, you can define your target audience. For example, let's say your audience is from the USA. Once everything is done, hit generate. As you can see, it generated 7 video ideas for us. From these 7 ideas, we can now choose our next video topic. For now, I'm going with video idea number 1. Once we finalize our video topic, the next step is to generate the script for our video. For that, copy our second prompt and paste it here. In the placeholder where it says, paste video idea here, paste the video idea you want to create. For example, I'll copy the first idea that we want to turn into a video, paste it into the placeholder, and continue. Let's quickly listen to the script first.
At the bottom of the ocean, your body doesn't explode like in the movies, it does something way worse. Down there, the pressure is over 100 times what you feel at the surface.
Okay, I think the script is perfectly fine. Now we need image generation prompts, which will later turn into our video scenes. For that, copy our third prompt and paste it here. Now paste the full script in this section so it can generate image prompts for each scene of the script. Unfortunately, it didn't understand what we were trying to create, so it generated an image instead. No problem. Let's simply ask it to generate prompts for each scene instead. Now you can see that we're getting prompts for each image scene of our video. Once we get our text-to-image prompts, we'll copy our fourth prompt and paste it here. What this does is HIX AI will now write prompts that can turn our images into videos. These are the same images that we'll first create using the prompts generated from our third prompt. Alright, as you can see, we now have all our prompts ready. We've got 7 prompts for images and 7 prompts for image-to-video animation. So our first task is now complete. All the prompt generation work is done. Now we'll first convert our text into images, and then turn those images into videos using all the prompts we just generated. For text-to-image, open another tab and type HIX AI. Then open the website. You might be thinking, why not do everything in the same tab? The reason is simple. We can work faster this way. From the options below, since we are generating text-to-images, select AI Images. From here, you can choose any model you want for generating your images, just like we did earlier for script and prompt generation. You'll find all the best image generation tools here. This time, I'm going with Nano Banana. From here, you can also choose the aspect ratio, the image quality like HD, 2K, or 4K, and the number of images per prompt. Now let's test it. Open the previous tab where we generated all our text-to-image prompts. Copy the first scene image prompt. Paste it here, and continue. Perfect. We got our first image, and it looks amazing. But if you ever don't like the result, just ask it to regenerate or simply switch the model. Never hesitate to do that. I think this image is perfect for my video. Now I'll go back to the previous tab, copy the second scene image prompt, and paste it here. Great! We got our second image. Now again, open the previous tab, copy the next prompt, and paste it. Perfect! We got our third image. Now simply repeat this same process for all scenes. And make sure to keep downloading all the images to your system as they are generated. Once all the images are ready, open another new tab and open HIX AI again. This time, choose AI Videos. Now select the video model you want to use. Almost every great video generator is available here. Once the model is selected, choose your video ratio, quality, clip duration, and the number of videos you want. On the left side, you'll see different generation options like text-to-video, frame-to-video, and ingredients-to-video. Since we have already generated our images, we'll go with frame-to-video, which gives us much better control over the final result. Alright, now let's open the previous tab where we generated all the prompts and scripts. From here, go to the section where HIX AI generated our image-to-video prompts. Copy the first scene prompt for the first image-to-video clip and paste it here. Now on the left corner of this box, you'll see Start and End Frame. Choose Start, then upload the first image that we generated. Now hit Generate. HIX AI will now start turning our image into a video for us. Let's see what we got. Perfect. Download it to your system. Now again, open the previous tab, copy the second scene prompt. Paste it here, click Start, upload the second image we generated, and continue. Perfect. We got our second video clip. Now simply repeat this process for all the prompts. Alright, now we have successfully turned all our images into videos. Let's quickly check if everything has been saved to our system properly and make sure there are no issues. Okay, I think everything looks good. Now our next step is to generate the voiceover for our video and align all the clips according to the script. For this, let's go back to our previous tab, find the script, and copy it. Here is our script. Copy it from here and save it to your system. Now open CapCut and create a new project. Before importing anything, I highly recommend organizing everything first. For example, rename your clips with numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. This helps prevent any confusion or mixing up the clips later. Once everything is numbered, open CapCut and import all the video clips. There's no need to import the images. Once imported, create a new folder, give it a name, and place all your clips inside it. Now for generating the voice, click on Text. Add the default text box. Now copy a portion of your script. Make sure it's not too long, because CapCut can't generate voice for more than 500 letters in one go. So just pick a short section from the script and paste it into the box. Now click on Text to Speech. Here you'll find hundreds of voices, and honestly some of them are even better than 11 Labs. Let me quickly test a few and see if I can find something better.
At the bottom of the ocean, your body.
At the bottom of the ocean, your body.
At the bottom of the ocean, your body doesn't explode like in the...
At the bottom of the ocean. At the bottom of the ocean. At the bottom of the ocean, your body doesn't explode like...
At the bottom of the ocean, your body doesn't explode like in the movies. It does something way worse.
There are definitely some great voices here, but it can be hard to decide which one to choose. Alright, let's go with this one.
At the bottom of the ocean, your body doesn't explode like in the movies. It does something way worse. Down there, the pressure is over 100 times what you feel at the surface.
Okay, I like this voice. Let's click it and hit Generate. Perfect. We got our text-to-speech voiceover. Now for the remaining portion, open your script again, copy the rest of it, and paste it into the box. In the text-to-speech section, find the exact same voice, Smart Santa, so the narration stays consistent. Now hit Generate. It may take a little time, but now we have our full script converted into speech.
At the bottom of the ocean, your body doesn't explode like in the movies. A vice, and your blood chemistry starts to change.
Alright, everything sounds fine. Now we can delete all the text layers, since we don't need them anymore. Now here's a pro tip. For YouTube Shorts, always remove the silent parts from your audio. Delete every silent area you can spot in the waveform. Once all the cuts are done, remove the silent gaps and join everything tightly together. This gives your voiceover a much more continuous and professional feel. Let's listen to it.
At the bottom of the ocean, your body doesn't explode like in the movies. It does something way worse.
Alright, everything sounds great. Now open your video clips folder and place the clips one by one from 1 to 7 in the correct order. Once everything is in place, if you notice your clips are ending before the audio finishes, simply select all your video clips, slightly reduce their speed, and align them perfectly with the voiceover. Now there's one issue. As you can hear,
at the bottom of the ocean, your body doesn't explode like in the movies. It does something way worse. Down there,
the background audio from our clips is making the narration harder to understand. So what we'll do is reduce the volume of the clips themselves. Now listen to it again.
At the bottom of the ocean, your body doesn't explode like in the movies. It does something way worse. Completely crushed flat, your eardrums. They'd burst long. Your ribs feel like they're being squeezed in a vice, and your...
Perfect. I think this sounds much better. Now let's make it even better. Go to the music category and search for any music style you want. Let's type dramatic. That sounds great. Let's use it and preview the result.
At the bottom of the ocean, your body doesn't explode like in the movies. It does something way worse. Down there, the pressure is over 100 times what you feel at the surface.
I think the BGM gets too loud at one point. So let's fix that. Place a keyframe at the point where the music starts rising and another one where you want it controlled. Then reduce the volume there. What this keyframe does is it smoothly lowers the volume from the point where it starts rising all the way to the end, giving us much better control. And honestly, this is the perfect solution. Now let me show you one more secret. But before that, hit like, subscribe, and if you still haven't commented yet, drop any comment below. And let me know who actually watched till the end. Now, if you want to add extra motion to your videos, just pick one clip and add keyframes to it. You can animate it however you like. Once you've added the motion, right-click on that clip and from the list select Copy Attributes. Now select all the clips, or only the clips where you want the same animation. Right-click again, and from the list choose Paste Attributes. What this does is it applies the exact same animation to all your selected clips. So instead of placing keyframes on every single clip one by one, it does everything for you in just one click. This is extremely useful, especially when you're working on longer videos. Now export your project. Give it a name, choose the save location, and select the quality settings for your video. Then hit Generate. Now let's take a look at how our final video turned out.
At the bottom of the ocean, your body doesn't explode like in the movies. It does something way worse. Down there, the pressure is over 100 times what you feel at the surface. Your lungs, completely crushed flat, your eardrums. They'd burst long before you ever got close. Any air spaces in your body shrink. Your ribs feel like they're being squeezed in a vice, and your blood chemistry starts to change. You wouldn't see sunlight. Just total blackness and cold that steals your heat in minutes. But here's the wild part. Deep-sea creatures live there like it's nothing. Down there, you're not the apex predator. You're the fragile one.
Guys, the HIX AI link will be in the pinned comment below, and also in the description, along with all the prompts.